Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for being first in the notification gang. Thank you. In today's video, we have partnered with HerGivenHair, and we're going to be trying out something cute, something new, something different, if we can get the box open. So I got this parcel just before Christmas, so it's got some Christmas decorations and it's got some Christmas gifts, which is actually so cute. I was actually really surprised, but your girl's filming it now in the new year, but we're gonna wear the ears anyway. So obviously there's the basic stuff that comes in, your instruction manuals, some headbands, and obviously the hair. So today we're going to be trying out another headband wig. This time we're trying out another BAYANGS wig. This is the Kinky blowout bangs wig in the color natural in 14 inches. So this is what the hair looks like. So it is a kinky texture, similar to our hair texture when it is obviously blown out. So I'm just going to try the hair straight out of the box so you guys can see what it looks like straight out of the box. You guys can wear a wig cap if you want to wear it with your wig cap, but I didn't want to, and yeah. So the first thing that I did with the hair was I used my paddle brush hair dryer to just tame the hair a little bit so it's not as puffy. So I went in with the back of my head first before I started to do my fringe, my bangs. And they really were very long. I noticed that I really did need to do some trimming and some cutting just to get it to a good length. So I prepared my hair. My hair was already in some flat twists and some braids at the back. So I just put a little milkmaid bun so that the wig would actually sit properly. And then I went in and prepared the hair with a flat iron. So I went in again with the flat iron. This is actually my sister's. And I did the fringe flat iron. In hindsight, I was curling this so wrong. I would obviously recommend curling it straight in a horizontal way and not twisting and not flicking your wrist so that it actually is like a bang and not a front fringe. But anyway, we learned and we fixed it. So I went in and actually trimmed the hair a little bit, quite a bit actually, so that it was obviously at about my eyebrow length so I could actually see. But it's really good because you can actually trim it to the way that you want and do it to the way that you want and the length that you want. So this is what I meant when I said that I went back in and fixed the fringe, because it was actually looking like a front fringe, 90s looking front fringe rather than a bang. So this is what the hair looks like just done. This is really cute, really easy. You can literally just put it on and go. My edges are intact. My edges are unbothered. It's so easy and so quick, and you can just put it on and get out of the house. So I'm going to use the silk scarf, and I'm just going to tie the silk scarf in a bow at the top of my head. And you can see here that this is quite easy, quite simple, and it hides the headband as well if you don't want the headband to be showing. You can also part this differently, so depending on how you cut it and stuff, you can part this and make it you know, a split fringe if you want, if you're not into the bangs look. Next, I've just tied the hair into just a low bun, and you can do this as you're going to the gym or you're going to work, you know, for a more corporate type of look if you're into that. Then I'm going to use the satin scarf again with the low bun and just tie it into, you know, this little head wrap situation. Really cute, really chic. you know, you can wear this with your all black outfit or whatever, wherever you're going, a picnic or whatever you really want to do. It's a really unique yet really cute look that you can do. Next, I'm gonna do a half up, half down look. So this is another one, really cute, really easy, and I'm wearing the black headband that I was gifted from HerGivenHair. Then I'm gonna use this other headband, which is like a longer headband, and you can do this if you want, you know, if you don't want your hair in the way but you don't want to tie it up, you still want to have your hair out and whatever. I love this headband, it's one of my favorites. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you have liked the video. Make sure to like if you like the video and comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah.